Every Sunday morning, Rohan liked to take a long walk. One day, he felt stressed and tired. His job was difficult, and he worried about many things. So he decided to climb a small hill near his town. He hoped the fresh air and quiet place would help him feel better. The path to the hill was not easy. It was steep, and the stones were sharp. Rohan walked slowly. Sometimes he stopped to rest, but he did not give up. He kept taking one step, then another step. The higher he climbed, the more peaceful he felt. He could hear birds singing and the soft sound of the wind. After some time, Rohan reached the top of the hill. He sat on a large rock and looked around. The whole town looked small from there. The sky was bright, and the morning air felt cool on his face. He closed his eyes and took a deep breath. He felt a little lighter. A few minutes later, he saw another man standing nearby. The man looked calm and friendly. He smiled and said, "Not many people come all the way up here." Rohan smiled back and said, "It was hard. I almost stopped." The man nodded and replied, "But you didn't stop. If you made it here, you are stronger than you think." Rohan felt something warm in his heart. Those words stayed with him. He realized he had more strength than he believed. He just needed to keep going, step by step. When he walked down the hill, he felt hopeful. He knew his problems were still there, but now he felt ready to face them. The climb had shown him that small efforts can lead to big changes.